Downers Grove South parent Carlina Huguet is a small business owner of a candle store called Bliss and Wicks. She makes handmade soy candles in a variety of scents, and she hopes to launch her online store this summer. Carlina explains how she got into candle making and what she likes about being an entrepreneur.
I decided I wanted to make candles. I thought it'd be something fun, actually, which is a good thing when you're spending a lot of time doing something. And I started experimenting, trying it out, and learning how to make candles. And learned there's a lot more to it than fun, but I just thought it'd be an interesting, part-time business. It's really cool. You can set your own hours, so that's, I think, one of the best things. You don't have to answer to somebody else, and you get to set your hours.
Carlina's husband, Christopher Huguet, explains how he reacted to the new business and how he's helped out along the journey.
I was really excited. She's a great entrepreneur at heart, and she loves candles. I love candles, and I think it's great when you can mesh your passions with something that becomes your job, and so I'm really excited. I haven't done too much, but I have done some in terms of I'm trying to learn a little bit as we go about what to look for. So we have candles scattered throughout the house, and I get to enjoy the great scents, and I'm trying to learn and be able to take notes when she's busy on other things.
DGS senior Katie Novotny talks about her experience with shopping locally and what she likes in a candle.
Definitely I'd say not as many online just because it's harder to find on there, but like the ones around like downtown Downers or other little downtown areas in the neighborhood, I definitely like to go into those because again, they're usually unique and they have their own little niches. Just looking around at the ones I have here, I would say the most important things that I look for in a candle are just scents that I think bring back a memory or remind me of something nice in my life, like a certain type of flower that reminds me of being outside in the spring or summer, or just anything, I think, most importantly, that just brings back a good memory.
Orchid, CD8, that's the wick, 8%'s the fragrance oil.
Wow.
It's long. If anyone can tell you, it's test. So it's the wick, the fragrance, so everything you put into the candle, it all reacts differently. It's like every candle is a little science experiment. So that's pretty cool, but it can be frustrating, but it's really interesting to see how all the different elements interact.
Another DGS senior and candle lover, Olivia Bologna, expresses why you should shop at small businesses and her opinion on candles.
I think honestly it would probably be better quality because they definitely just mass produce like all of the higher businesses, and I think it's also very important to support small businesses because especially in the time that we're in now, I think that the money could help a smaller business more than just a business who just has millions of dollars anyway. I think also, I personally don't know if the Bath and Body Works is the best for like good labor in like the char, you know what we're talking about? So I think that if a smaller business is being more ethically, like ecologically friendly, I think that it would be very much more beneficial to not even me but the environment to shop locally.
Bliss and Wicks aren't like any other candle. They're better quality and made with love in Downers Grove, Illinois.
I like how they usually have more unique scents instead of the ones you see over and over again that are like the popular demand ones, and I like those really specific, interesting scents.
I honestly only care about the smell because, that's what a candle's for. 3 wicks is probably better because it's gonna just smell up the room more, but just the smell is the most important thing to me.
The process isn't easy, but success will soon come Carlina's way.
I think the great thing about something like candle making is that it can be as small or as big as you have the appetite and the drive to make it. So it's something where she's going to be able to start small, hopefully build on that, and then depending on the success and all the marketing efforts, and sky's the limit.
Carlina even has her furry friend Bella to help her along the way, and is confident her candles are top-notch.
I think what makes mine better, they're really good fragrance, and they're also soy candles. That's better for the environment. There's a lot less soot. They're made from soybeans, are harvested in the USA. I think that sets me apart.
Don't forget to shop locally and support Bliss and Wicks on Etsy, coming soon summer 2021 or fall 2021.